Welcome to my presentation about class registration issues at Western Sydney. I've conducted 4 case studies about Western Sydney University's digital problems, such as the disjointed digital system platform and class registration system. Another separate study issues about associated with the use of views online platform, and number 4, unstable internet connection issues. Of the 4 class registration studies stood out for me the most. Enrolling into classes is one of the most important parts of students' journey. At Western Sydney University, students use Allocate to enroll into their classes to create their timetable plans for the semester. While the system was created to make the enrollment process easier, a lot of students, especially those who are first-year students, find it difficult to use. The system frequently crashes during very busy time, and instructions are sometimes very confusing, and students also face clashes between classes and timetable, and the lack of immediate support leads to frustration, and some students end up feeling disconnected before even the semester begins. These issues makes it difficult for students to get the classes they need, and it shows that the current system needs improvement. Western Sydney University's aim is to be modern and digital university that offers students smooth and vast online experience, but the current enrollment system does not meet the standards of the goal that the university has. Students often deal with unreliable platform to try and navigate on their own with the little support. This gap between what the university goal is and what the students are actually dealing with is very vast and causes lots of stress on students, and it makes it harder for the campus to feel like a strong, welcoming campus where students feel supported and feel like they are on a sticky campus and they can succeed throughout their academic journey. Problem statement. Research question. What are the main obstacles Western Sydney University students face when registering for the classes, and what causes the scheduling issue and timetable clashes and less class availability while registering at Western Sydney University? What causes timetable clashes during class registration at Western Sydney University, and how does the lack of direct instruction impact class registration at Western Sydney University? Throughout the study, the aim of the methodology is to explore the student and staff experience when using the digital system by using visual ethnographic mapping tool to analyze the challenge that stakeholders are facing while using the university registration system. By using a human-centered design research approach principle to examine how does the registration system confusion at Western Sydney University affect students and other website users such as lecturers and support staff. Furthermore, a survey was conducted which was used to gather information from stakeholders to evaluate the use of registration system layout to come up with a solution and to hope that the university will listen to the feedback that is being gathered. I've also conducted a first-hand interview study with students, lecturers, and support team to gather feedback on the class registration system issues. And the solution for this problem is to run a workshop in the amphitheater on the lower ground floor at Western Sydney University campus to help students understand and use registration tools like Allocate, and establish a central service hub for all student services on the lobby area during peak enrollment time, and can make the touchscreen kiosk available on ground floor to offer step by step guidance on how to register for classes, and brochures with simple visual instruction must be provided on the campus to use as a guidance. To establish a central service hub desk to register manually on the lobby area, and use cloud-based student portal to avoid crashes during busy time, and increase IT support to help solving the technical issues, and to increase class capacity by opening big classes and publish detailed unit timetable ahead before registration open to give students plenty of time and plan to avoid scheduling conflict, and to encourage online classes by using Zoom, and to time clash warning are highly encouraged to use during registration, and to open evening class option and establish a service desk hub to help students with timetable clashing during registration. In conclusion, improving class enrollment at Western Sydney University through small changes can help a lot. A central help desk, having workshops, and having touchscreen kiosk and brochures will allow students to have the support they need, access to rather efficiently, adding more help desk, adding more IT help, releasing timetable earlier, and warning the students of clash to the system will help make the process less stressful. These steps can help Western Sydney University, a more digital student friendly place to study. Recommendations solve the issue. Create a central student help hub on the campus, run enrollment workshop for students, install touchscreen kiosk with step-by-step guides, provide printed brochures for guidance, use a cloud-based portal to reduce system crashes, and increase IT support during busy time, and publish timetables early before enrollment opens, and add time clash warning to the system, and offer more class options like online, evening, and large rooms, and set up help desk for timetable issues during enrollment. Here I have conducted a first-hand research interview with stakeholders and a circulation diagram. Here I have the design research with suggestion and the journey map timetable and the journey map diagram. This is still part of the
Annex.
annex. And here are my references. And thank you for listening to me.